Project: How to make short circuit protection circuit. In this video, I will tell you in detail how to make short circuit protection circuit. Make sure to watch this video till the end. For this circuit we need 12-volt relay like this. For this circuit we need also jumper wires like this. Now take one jumper wire and solder it with 12-volt relay coil pin 2 like this. Now take another jumper wire and solder it with 12-volt relay coil pin 1 like this. For this circuit we need also two numbers resistor of 180 ohm like this. Now we will take resistor of 180 ohm and solder it with 12-volt relay coil pin 2 like this. For this circuit we need also red LED 5mm like this. Now we will solder the negative pin of red LED with normally closed pin of 12-volt relay like this. And solder red LED positive pin with 180 ohm resistor like this. Now we will take a jumper wire and solder it with pin 1 and pin 5 of 12-volt relay like this. Now we will take a jumper wire and solder it with common pin of 12-volt relay like this. Now we will solder the jumper wire attached to the common point of 12-volt relay to coil pin 1 like this. For this circuit we also need green LED 5mm like this. Now we will solder negative pin of green LED with pin number 1 of 12-volt relay like this. Now we will solder 180 ohm resistor with green LED positive pin like this. For this circuit we also need push button like this. Now we will solder the push button to the center of the jumper wire between the common pin and pin number 1 of 12-volt relay like this. Now we will cut the jumper wire with a cutter like this. Now we will take another jumper wire and solder it to the common pin of 12-volt relay like this. Also take another jumper wire and solder it to the pin number 2 of 12-volt relay like this. Now the two jumper wires we soldered at the end will now be sleeved on one of them to prevent them from short circuit. Now take another jumper wire and solder one point to pin 2 of the 12-volt relay and solder the other point to a 180 ohm resistor like this. For this circuit we also need 12-volt DC light like this. Now we will solder positive wire of 12-volt DC light with pin 2 of 12-volt relay and negative wire with pin 1 of 12-volt relay like this. For this circuit we also need alligator clips like this. Now we will solder positive alligator clip and negative alligator clip with these points for input supply like this. Here is the circuit diagram of this project. If you want to download, link is available in description. Similarly, this circuit is complete. Now we will check it, and for that we will connect it with 12-volt supply, and so I will show you practically how this circuit works in case of short circuit. Now we will press the push button. As soon as we press the push button, the light turns on with us. Now we will short both the positive and negative of the light. As soon as we short it, this circuit automatically cuts up the input supply from the load. This also proved that the circuit we built is working properly. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.